These two are the equations. We have to find out the solutions. These equations are to be reduced in the form of linear equation. So general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. So these equations have to be reduced in the form of linear equations in two variables. So here we have two variables x and y. And if we observe the two equations, 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2 is common in the two equations. So what we can do, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, assume it as one variable, and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to another variable. Then these two equations will transform into 5a plus b is equal to 2. Next, the second equation will become 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So these are the new equations we have transformed. Then assume it as 3 and 4 and this as 1 and this as 2. Now either using elimination method or substitution method we can find out the solutions. So here we will go for substitution method. If you take third equation, you will get the b value. So what is the third equation? 5a plus b is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to 2 minus 5a. So here 5a it is plus, after transposing it becomes minus 5a. Now substituting this value in the above equation, 4 will get the b value. Now what is the fourth equation? 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now in the place of b we have to substitute 2 minus 5a. Therefore it becomes 6a minus 3, 2 minus 5a is equal to 1. So after multiplying with this 3 into 2, 6, and minus 3 into minus, this becomes plus 15a is equal to 1. Now keeping the a terms aside and constant aside, it becomes 15a plus 6a minus 6. This plus 1 transposing it becomes minus 1 is equal to 0. 15a plus 6a becomes 21a minus 6 and minus 1 both are same symbol. So we have to do addition. Therefore 7 is equal to 0. Then 21a is equal to 7. Minus 7 transposing it becomes positive. Therefore a is equal to 7 by 21. So 21 is multiplying, after transposing it divides. 7 ones and 7 threes. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to get b value also. What is b value? Already we have here. B is equal to 2 minus 5a. In that if we substitute a, then we will get b value. Now b is equal to 2 minus 5a. So 2 minus 5 into 1 by 3. So here there is no denominator, here 3. Then therefore the LCM is 3. Next 2 into 3 minus 5. So 5 into 1 by 3 into 3. Therefore it becomes 2 3s are 6 minus 5 by 3. Therefore it becomes 1 by 3. So B also we have 1 by 3. A also we have 1 by 3. But we have to find out the solutions for x and y. But at the starting of the problem we have reduced them into linear equations. So here we are assume that 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So if you substitute a value here in this above equations, we will get the x value. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, how much we have? 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 3. So after this we have to do cross multiplication. Then x minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore x minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, it becomes plus 1, x is equal to 4. Next, second, if we want to get y, then we have to substitute b value. Now 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b, we have deducted here 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Therefore here also same method, cross multiplication we have to do. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 2, y minus 2 into 1, it is y minus 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 2, if you transpose it becomes plus 2. Therefore y is equal to 5. Therefore x comma y we have 4 comma 5. So whether the solution is correct or not, if you want to recheck, take any one of these equations and substitute the xy values, and if we equate, then it is correct. So let us check with the first equation. So what is first equation? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. This is the first equation. So x we have 4 and y 5. So if we substitute 4 minus 1 plus 1 by y we have 5 minus 2. Then it becomes 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So as the denominators are equal, we can add the numerators. Therefore 5 plus 1 by 3, which is 6 by 3, that is 2. Therefore we get the 2 here. So they are equated. So like this we have to transform the equations. Equations have to be reduced in the form of linear equations, and then we have to find out the solutions. These are the solutions. Equations reducible to the pair of linear equations in two variables.